We're not open yet. We're not open yet. We're close. We're not open yet. We're not open. They say Thursday. All right. So it definitely looks more like a serviceable business. We have benches will be done, I imagine, tomorrow. All this crap can go out. No. Move the light switch so that people wouldn't see the light switch is the first thing when they walk in. I don't remember what this place looked like last time you were here, but this is the thing I'm most excited about, because when I go to, and this is not a thing I should be most excited about, but it goes to speak to how I'm feeling. When I go to public restrooms, one of the things I hate doing is touching things and turning on the lights. So here, they come on all by them lonesome.
You just ding the wall.
It doesn't matter, because if I ding to the wall, that's where the thing is going to go that stops us from dinging the wall anyway. We passed electrical inspection, so lights going in here too.
Exciting.
Yeah, mirrors will go up, toilets will go in today. Lockers will get moved around. We have our logos here, I'll show them to you in a second. See, this is the kind of stuff that I see that, like, I know is not their fault, and it just drives me nuts. Also check this, all the equipment's here. These came out great. When they're out of the wall, you see all the stuff going on behind them. You push them in. Oh, and Cody pushes them in. We have cleaning crew coming, I believe, Thursday night or Saturday or Friday. So yeah, we're home stretch. Anchors and landmines are going in today. It is exciting, it's close. You good?
Think we're gonna be done?
What?
You think we're gonna be done?
No. Here's what I think. I think you're gonna be like 95%.
Yeah, that's what I think too.
Okay.
Completely done.
Awesome.
Still missing stuff.
Yeah. We're over time, we're over budget, and in a year, neither will matter. In a year, when we're in there using the space, it will just be more money than we wanted to spend to start, and a less opportune time to start bringing members in the door, clients in the door, and it'll be a successful business a year from now.